Wow, such incredible year.
Old echoes in my chest that I'm finally shutting down.
बता दूं और हम भैया के साथ
I've
भी
been quiet in the places where I used to fall apart.
तो यहाँ से जा रहा है.
But something in me's waking up, a slow and stubborn spark.
ओह
And maybe change was never meant to feel like ease, but I'm learning how to breathe my way through everything. So I start again, not perfect, but I'm showing up this time. I start again with a softer heart and a clearer mind. I'm done apologizing for the way I used to break. I'm standing where I am, and that's enough to start again. And that's enough to I've been tracing all the reasons I kept holding on to pain, like the past was some old story I was scared to erase. But every step I take now feels a little more like me, a little less afraid, a little more ready to be free. Maybe healing isn't pretty, but it feels real, and real is all I've ever wanted to feel. So I start again, not perfect, but I'm showing up this time. I start again with a softer heart and a clearer mind. I'm done apologizing for the way I used to break. I'm standing where I am, and that's enough to. I know I'm gonna lose my way again someday, but that won't mean I failed. It just means I'm still awake. And even if the world goes quiet on me again, I'll find my way back to this moment where I chose to start again. I start again with tired eyes but steady breath. I start again letting go of what I used to regret. I'm not chasing who I was or who I couldn't be. I'm walking toward the version growing softly inside me. And that's enough.